Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Overall, also known as Swag Tech, and I had a little problem with my editing. Well, I'm not even gonna say editing because it was a problem with the raw file with the last two videos that I uploaded. Um, they just didn't come through clear enough for me personally, and to me personally, I feel like it's not fair to the items themselves and also to you because you sat and you watched the video and you may have missed some things that you wanted to see but you couldn't see because of the low resolution of the finished product. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to show you these, and I mean, when I say these, I'm talking about, the Golden Dragon as well as the Zen Sled from the Mad Carpenter. So we're going to take a look at these up close. Like I said, just in case you miss something, you get a chance to see them. In all fairness, I think they deserve that. So, when it came to the Zen Sled, this type of thing is all about aesthetics, and I wanted you to be able to see that there is, in fact, like no stray edges. Everything is sanded down smooth. Like I mentioned before, you get a chance to get a good look at the logo. If we get some focusing happening, you might want to focus their camera. You think you can focus for me? Okay. Don't want to focus. That's fine. That's fine. That's why they give us controls. I have full control. Alright. So you get a good look at the logo there up close. And, that's pretty much it. I mean, mod slides into the little crevice there, the little hole. And it holds it. I mean, if I shake it like mad, it still ain't falling out. I'm giving it a good jiggle, as much as I would want to, because this Golden Dragon ain't light. It is, I'm not going to say a heavy beast, but there is a battery inside, and there's also an extra extension tube there. But I wanted you guys to be able to see this as well. That way you can get a good look at the logo that is on the Golden Dragon in all of its golden glory. But really, I wanted you to be able to see inside those vent holes. This is why I said that these are some of the coolest vent holes I've seen, because when you look in the vent hole, you don't see the battery, you actually just see the switch. Helps me out a lot because I can see when my switch is oxidized, and it's a good barometer for when I need to clean it. Now that we're in a higher resolution, you can also see that my Mountain Baker Vapor t-shirt has had better days. It's been through a move with me. I've had it for quite some time, and I still love it. So when I work, I'm generally, editing and stuff like that in the Mount BZT because it holds me so snug. It does. But I'm going to take some vapes off of this. This is the same GKMF. I'm still at zero point 0.6 ohms. The battery is not at 4.2 volts or 4.1 volts. Right now it should be at about 3.9, 3.8. I'm guessing I've been using this battery. This is the Orbtronics, a little bit longer battery life, but we're going to have a vape anyway. Like I mentioned before, it's very freaking durable. The mod is what I put it through so far. And I really hope Wink ain't mad at me for because I've dropped it a few times, and I mean you can see it has battle scars. And I think that every good mod should have battle scars because it's something that we do in fact hold in our hands. So even if I were to grab, say, a pro clip and I use it, it's not going to be clipped onto my body 24/7. I mean, that's just me. And you know what? I scoured the earth looking for pro clips, and I really don't use them as much as I thought I would, but they still work. So yeah, that's that. The Golden Dragon in a better resolution picture. Um, there was something that I forgot to show. Well, not necessarily forgot because you can see it on the table, but your 510 connection there, it does have the air channels cut out for it. So in case you have something with bottom fed airflow, it's there for you. It is actually milled into the top cap. It's not like an extra piece. The top cap is 3 pieces all together. You have the insulator there. I don't know if that's made of Duralin or not. And you have your center pin there that is adjustable, and the top cap itself. So now in a higher resolution, you guys can see that in there. You've already seen the bottom cap. I know, right? I'm all out of focus. Focus, focus. There is your bottom spring there and your negative contact, and of course the internals of the mod. So it's pretty good. Like I said, I have no complaints. I mean, somebody can be a perfectionist and say, well, those edges inside of those vent holes could be cleaner. But to be honest with you, they are pretty clean. As clean as I would expect them to be. So yeah, that's a thing. And back to me. So I figured that they deserve that closer look, and if something happens or goes wrong, or I mean mistakes happen all the time, I always make sure that I make them right. That was a mistake, I guess, on my part. Of course, I'm the one who recorded the video. I'm the one who edited the video. And I didn't want to go back over what I had already said to redo the video because I don't script my videos. They're just done based on my personal opinion. And I didn't want to ask around and leave something out or miss something. So instead, I felt that this addendum would do quite nicely with the Golden Dragon and the Zen Sled from the Mad Carpenter. So, I'm Orel, also known as Swag Tech. No funny business, no awesome intros or anything like that. We're getting back to the roots of reviews, what it's really all about. If you've been looking for me, I don't know why, because you can always email me, swagtech@gmail.com. You can always kick me, swagtech. You can find me on Instagram, ORE11. Or you can catch me on Vape TV on Tuesday nights at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be doing the Think Tank there. I have been doing the Think Tank. If you haven't seen it, you should stop by. If you haven't even been to the Vape TV network, the original network, from what I hear, you should stop by there. They're great people, excellent folks to interact with and talk vape. And that's it. That's all I got. I just wanted to update everybody and give you that quick fix. I'm going to go to bed now. Done all the editing and uploading I can for the night. Everybody, love everybody. Safe clouds.